How to create AI Ghibli art on Android. If you're looking to create the AI Ghibli art on Android, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to create them. First thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and install the ChatGPT application. So go ahead and search for ChatGPT and then install it. You could also use the browser version as well. So I'm just going to show you guys using the application. Just open it up. So all you have to do here is go ahead and tap on this plus icon, and then here you can see different options like photos, cameras, or files. You can select a picture from here that you want to turn into AI Ghibli art. So here I have selected an image. So what I'm going to do here is ask it to create a AI Ghibli art. So let's just write something like make it Ghibli art. So something like this, and then hit enter. Now it may take a while, so you'll have to be patient. So it will get started and you just have to wait for a bit. And once you have entered the prompt, it will start creating different layers of the image and make it like the Ghibli studio art. And if you're using the free version of ChatGPT, then you can get up to 3 image generation per day. But if you are a premium user, then you can do it as many times as you want. As you guys can see, it's slowly creating different layers of the image. And as you guys can see here, it has created a somewhat similar image to the one that I've provided here in the Studio Ghibli art style. So now you can just go ahead and save this. Go ahead and tap on the save option and it will be saved to your gallery. And that's how you create an AI Ghibli art style on ChatGPT. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.